Here's a summary of the key points from the Senzo Meyiwa trial today. The court is addressing a postponement request by Advocate Mnisi, who recently took over the representation of accused number 1, Mr. Mancube, in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Main points from Advocate Mnisi: not ready to proceed. Despite his best efforts, Adv Mnisi states that he's not ready to proceed with the trial, citing the voluminous documentation, around 60,000 pages of evidence, and the need to properly analyze and prepare for cross-examinations. Personal sacrifices made. He claims to have put his life on hold, even missing out on a marathon event to focus on trial prep. Effort acknowledged. He has read the material, but emphasizes that reading alone isn't enough. He must analyze, cross-reference, and prepare sound arguments. Prior involvement in trial. Although he was present in court previously, representing accused 3, his focus was not on accused 1, so he feels underprepared for this specific defense. Previous commitment. Misjudged. He acknowledges underestimating the preparation needed when he earlier told the court he'd be ready, come sun or shine. Judge's response. The judge reminds Adv Mnisi that he had full opportunity to cross-examine witnesses previously, even those unrelated to his former client. The group defense strategy was acknowledged, meaning all advocates had shared exposure to the evidence. The records are extensive but available, and the court has already bent over backwards to allow cross-examinations. Questions. The justification. The judge challenges Mnisi's claim of unreadiness since he has been present throughout and had the chance to follow the proceedings closely. Outcome. Adv Mnisi requests another postponement, promising to return prepared on the next date, but also warns he will be very cautious this time in promising readiness.